President has committed himself to avail funds to us to make sure that we are able to meet the objective of our intention to revive the coffee sector, and he has allocated 500 million in the current estimates, supplemental estimates that have already passed through the National Assembly. So our aim here is to increase acreage.
Is the momentum role that the cooperatives and the SMEs play in the growth and prosperity of our nation. Micro, small and medium enterprises, SME, play a major role in most economies, particularly in developing countries. They account for the majority of business worldwide and are important contributors to job creation and economic development. SMEs present about 90% of business and more than 50% of employment